In this video, I will demonstrate how to use widget features. Using new widget features in AdFlux to display weather and RSS feed information is easy. To use this widget feature, we need to create the required widgets from Contents section. Let's navigate to Content tab and click on Add Widget. Now select the type of widget, either weather or ticker. Click on Weather. Give a name to the weather widget. Now choose the location from the scroll-down menu. Click Save and Close. This will create a weather widget which can be added to a template. Let's create an RSS feed ticker widget. Click on Add Widget and then select Ticker. Now give this widget a name as shown. Choose the news feed you prefer to use from the available RSS feeds. To customize the news feed, please use the options provided to adjust scroll speed, text size, font, and colors. Click Save and Close. This will create a ticker widget which can be added to a template. Now let's navigate to Template section to use our pre-created widgets. As we see here, we can either create custom templates or use pre-created templates from the template library. Templates can be created once and assigned or unassigned to the screen as per the requirement. A preview of the template is available as shown on the left. On the right side, there were some action buttons provided on the left to check, edit, assign, move and delete the templates. Now click on Add from Template Library as shown. Give a name to the template. Select the type of screen as single screen, content and widgets, by using the scroll-down menu. Now select the resolution and orientation of the screen as shown for standard resolutions. Choose the available pre-created templates from the library and click Save and Next button. This will open a template edit portal. Now adjust the width for content on the screen by entering a value or leave it to default values. Now click on Add Weather and select our pre-created weather widget from the content library. Click on Save and Close to confirm the settings. Now scroll down to Ticker Setting. Adjust the height and alignment parameters, if required. By clicking on Browse, select our pre-created news ticker from the content library. Click on Save and Close to confirm the setting. Now let's click on Save and Next and assign this template to a screen. Proceed to confirmation page. Please check the configuration of the template and click Publish. Now the template gets assigned to the screen and within few minutes, it will start displaying the weather RSS feed ticker along with your content on the screen. Here's a sample footage of the screen using widget feature. Thus, I conclude this video. Thank you for choosing AdFlux.